finally we're home. No more I miss yous or see you on weekends. From now on, it's see you later, every day, forever.
It was written in the stars, carved in stone inside our hearts. Something lasting, something true, tethered up inside of you and me. Take me home, don't let go. There ain't no love, let's let go. Take me home, I'm holding on to you. There ain't no love like our love. There ain't no love like our love.
Last night, after an uneventful week, we got a few minutes of peace sa kwarto mo. Parang doon nag-sink in sa akin bigla how big of a day today is. Iniisip ko, ano ba yung nararamdaman ko ngayon? Was I scared? Hindi naman. Why would I be? Ikaw naman ang kasama ko. You're the calm to my sometimes chaotic thought adult brain. You're the strength that pushes me to become a better person kahit na kailangan mong ulit-ulitin sa akin para lang mag-take action. You're the courage that allows me to go past the unknown. So definitely not scared kasi I'm braver because of you.
There ain't no love, let's let go. Take me home, I'm holding on to you. There ain't no love like our love. There ain't no love like our love.
I love doing life with you. Sabi nga sa Bible, love is patient, love is kind, it does not envy, it does not boast, it is not proud, it does not dishonor others, it is not self-seeking, it is not easily angered, it keeps no record of wrongs. Love does not delight in evil but rejoices with the truth. It always protects, always trusts, always hopes, always perseveres. I promise to be more patient and kind and live up to this Bible verse, so help me God.
Gab and Carmela, this is the moment, this is the day.
That is who you are. Selfless. And that makes me who I am. Lucky. So hindi overwhelmed. I don't have the audacity to be overwhelmed when you've set us up for success today and always. Was I happy? Habang nag-aayos ka ng gamit kagabi, napansin mo na tulala ako, which you always notice kasi yun ata yung thinking face ko kapag stressed. Pero reviewing that moment of peace in your room, parang yun nga ata yung feeling. I was happy. I am happy.
I promise to cry with you while watching movies because you are such a crybaby. To to try new things with you, and to always be your passenger princess, but not just in car, but how I'll always sit by your side as you navigate through life. I'll always be by your side no matter how bumpy the road gets. I will seek you in every lifetime. I love you.
I love you not only for what you are, but for what I am when I am with you. Your married life will be a story to inspire others also on how to love deeply and faithfully in spite of all the challenges that you face.
Promise to always find ways to make you feel loved and to get you to laugh your obnoxiously loud laugh. Lagi mo tinatanong kung nahihiya ba ako kapag tumatawa ka ng malakas. To set the record straight, hindi ako nahihiya. Kapag nga na-achieve ko yun, it makes my heart full. I am excited to spend my life with you, here, everywhere, and always. Love you.